Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to talk with you again.
Today, we are going to talk about the weather.
Yes, the weather. It's something we talk about every day.
That's right. In English, people love to talk about weather.
It's easy, friendly, and a great way to start conversations.
Exactly. So today, we will practice weather English together.
Don't worry, it's very simple. We will go slowly.
Okay, let's imagine we are meeting outside today.
Yes, maybe on the street or at a bus stop.
And the first thing we say is,
Hello, it's so cold today.
yes, that's perfect. It's so cold today.
I know, I'm freezing. Are you cold too?
Yes, very cold. I forgot my gloves at home.
Oh no, your hands must be freezing.
They are. I should have brought my warm gloves.
Next time, don't forget them.
I won't. What about you? Are you warm enough?
I'm okay. I'm wearing a thick coat and a scarf.
That's good. A scarf is so important in winter.
Yes, it keeps my neck warm.
Smart. I have a scarf too, but I need a hat.
A hat helps a lot, especially when it's windy.
True. And today is very windy, isn't it?
Yes, the wind is strong. It feels even colder.
I know. The wind makes everything worse.
That's called wind chill.
Wind chill. Yes, it makes the temperature feel lower.
Exactly. So even if it's 5 degrees, it feels like 0.
Ooh, that's freezing.
I know. I can't wait to get inside.
Me too. Do you think it will snow today?
Maybe. The sky looks very gray.
Yes, those clouds look heavy.
Heavy clouds usually mean snow or rain.
I hope it snows. I love snow.
Really? You like snow?
Yes, it's so pretty. Everything looks clean and white.
That's true, but it's also cold and wet.
Yes, that's the problem.
And walking in snow is difficult.
True. The sidewalks get slippery.
Very slippery. You have to walk carefully.
I know. Last week, I almost fell.
Oh no, be careful. Ice is dangerous.
I will. I need better shoes for winter.
Good idea. Winter boots are important.
Yes, boots with good grip.
Exactly. So, what's the weather like where you live?
Right now, it's cold and cloudy.
Same here. It's been like this all week.
I know. I miss the sun.
Me too. Sunny days are so much nicer.
Yes, the sun makes everything better.
It does. Even if it's cold, sunshine feels warm.
That's true. Cold and sunny is better than cold and cloudy.
Definitely. What's your favorite weather?
I like warm and sunny days.
Like spring or summer?
Yes, especially spring. Not too hot, just perfect.
I agree. Spring weather is lovely.
What about you? What's your favorite?
I like autumn. Cool and crisp with colorful leaves.
Oh, autumn is beautiful.
Yes, and not too hot, not too cold.
Just right. Like Goldilocks.
Exactly. Just right.
But winter has its charm too.
True. Hot chocolate, warm blankets, cozy fires.
Yes, staying inside when it's cold outside. That's the best part of winter. I agree. Oh, I think I felt a snowflake. Really? Let me check. Oh yes, it's starting to snow. Look, tiny snowflakes are falling. How pretty. They're so small and light. I love watching snow fall. Me too. It's so peaceful and quiet. Yes, the world feels calm when it snows. That's true. But it's getting colder now. You're right. We should go inside soon. Good idea. Where should we go? How about a cafe? We can have hot tea.
Perfect. Hot tea sounds wonderful right now.
Yes, something warm to drink.
And maybe a piece of cake too.
Always cake with you.
What can I say? Cake makes everything better.
True. Okay, let's walk to the cafe. Is it far? No, just 2 blocks. We can walk. Okay, but let's walk fast. It's freezing out here. Agreed. Come on, let's go. Wait, is it snowing harder now? Yes, the snow is getting heavier. Look, it's covering the ground already. Wow, that was fast. Winter snow can be like that, sudden and strong. We should hurry before it gets worse. Good idea. I don't want to get stuck in a snowstorm. Me neither. Let's go, quickly. Okay, I'm following you. Watch your step. The ground is getting slippery. I know, I'm being careful. Good. We're almost there. I can see the cafe, just ahead. Yes, there it is. Almost there. Thank goodness, I'm so cold now. Me too. My nose is frozen. My fingers are numb. Let's hurry. The cafe looks warm and cozy. I can't wait to get inside. Okay, we're here. I'm opening the door. It's so warm in here. Yes, finally. That feels so good. I know, my face is tingling from the warmth. Mine too. Let's find a table. How about that one, by the window? Perfect. We can watch the snowfall. Good idea. I love watching snow from inside. Me too. It's beautiful when you're warm and safe. Exactly. Okay, let's sit down. Ah, this is nice. I'm already feeling warmer. Me too. Let's order some hot tea. Yes, and maybe hot chocolate? Ooh, hot chocolate sounds even better. Let's get both. Good plan. 1 tea, 1 hot chocolate. Perfect. Oh, look, the snow is really coming down now. Wow, it's so heavy, like a snow curtain. Beautiful. I'm glad we're inside. Me too. This is the perfect place to be. Warm cafe, hot drinks, and snow outside. It doesn't get better than this. I agree. You know, talking about weather is easy. Yes, and people do it all the time. In English, weather is the most common small talk. That's right. It's so cold today. Or nice weather, isn't it? Exactly. Simple phrases that everyone uses. And they help you start conversations. Yes, with friends, strangers, coworkers, anyone. Weather is a safe, friendly topic. True, nobody gets upset talking about weather. Unless they really hate the cold. Fair point. But still, it's easy English practice. Absolutely. Beginners can learn it quickly. Yes, just a few simple words. Hot, cold, sunny, rainy, windy, snowy. And simple sentences. It's cold today, or it's snowing. Perfect. For A1 and A2 learners. Exactly. No complicated grammar needed. Just natural, everyday English. That's what we love to teach here. Real English for real life. So friends, practice weather talk every day. Look outside and describe what you see. It's sunny today, or it's raining now. Say it out loud, even if you're alone. Practice makes you confident. And weather vocabulary is so useful. You'll use it all the time. In conversations, on the phone, in messages, everywhere. So don't be shy. Talk about the weather and improve your English. Okay, friends, that's our weather conversation today. We hope you enjoyed it. And we hope you learned some useful phrases. Remember, weather talk is easy and natural. Use it to practice English every day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next conversation. Goodbye, and stay warm, everyone. Goodbye. Enjoy the weather today, whatever it is.